Today, I'm going to show you how to use the MyTunes AI Music Generator, an incredible app that lets you create complete songs just by describing what you want. Whether you're a first-time user or an experienced musician, this tool makes music creation easier, faster, and more fun than ever before. To get started, download and open the MyTunes AI Music Generator app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface that's built for creativity. The process begins with the AI song generator. Here, all you have to do is describe the kind of song you want, mention the genre, like pop, rock, or rap, and the mood, whether it's upbeat, romantic, or chill. The AI will instantly generate a fully arranged track for you, complete with melodies, beats, and instrumentation. If you already have lyrics in mind, MyTunes also includes a lyric generator. You can type your own words or let the AI write them for you. Then, use the Make My Lyrics into a Song feature, and in seconds, your text transforms into a complete track. Want to get creative? Try the AI cover generator, which allows you to apply different voices or remix existing songs. You can even use the voice changer or AI vocal generator to experiment with harmonies, background vocals, or entirely new singing styles. Once your track is ready, you can fine-tune it directly in the app, adjust the mix, enhance vocals, or polish the final sound until it's exactly how you want it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.